In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap sheets or hide any sheets in a dashboard using Tableau in just 5 minutes. First things first, let's begin by launching your Tableau app. If you already have it open, great. If not, double-click the Tableau icon on your desktop or search for it through your applications for quick access. Once you're in the app, head straight over to your workspace where all your worksheets are neatly stored. This is the area where you get down to the nitty-gritty of data visualization. Now take a look at your dashboards, which you can find on the left side of your screen. Identify and select the particular dashboard you wish to edit. Click on it to bring it to the foreground of your workspace. With your dashboard in focus, locate the sheet that you want to change. This is your opportunity to review the current visualizations and decide which one you might want to swap out for another. Once that's clear, navigate to the Sheets pane, which is usually on the left. Here, you'll find a list of all the sheets associated with your workbook. Carefully select the sheet you want to swap to. This is crucial because you want to ensure that the data representation you choose aligns with your storytelling needs. With the sheet selected, it's time to find the swap sheet icon. This handy tool allows you to exchange sheets efficiently. Click on the swap sheet icon, and just like that, the sheet will be swapped in place of the old one. What's great about this feature is that it maintains your data integrity without erasing any of the valuable data points you've worked so hard to accumulate and refine. Transitioning now to the task of hiding sheets. If your objective is to simplify your dashboard's appearance, or focus on key data points, click on the drop-down menu at the top of the sheet. In this menu, select Add Show Hide button. Doing so will give you an easily accessible control for managing the visibility of your sheet. Finally, to hide the sheet, press and hold the Alt key on your keyboard. While keeping the key pressed, click the button associated with the sheet you want to conceal. This straightforward process allows you to create a clean and focused dashboard, emphasizing the data that truly matters to your audience. With these steps, you now have the tools to both swap and hide sheets, ensuring your dashboard remains versatile and clear in conveying your data story. Thank you for watching, and as always, feel free to explore more features within Tableau that cater to your data visualization needs. Happy customizing!